Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for tuning in as always. So y'all already know what time it is. Time for us to catch up and talk, okay? So much stuff has happened within the past like 4 months since I made a YouTube video. My life has been absolutely bananas to say the very least. So I'm gonna actually have a series of videos reintroducing myself back into the community because it's been 4 months. So there's a few things that I want to talk to y'all about, right? So we're gonna get started. The first segment is gonna be what's going on with my hair now, right? So a lot of things have been happening in my life. Here lately I've been wearing a lot of puffs or like protective styles and a lot of twist outs that I'll wear for about 2 weeks, so that last week it's in a puff or in some pig puffs or in a bun or something like that. But here recently, the past 2 weeks, I've been wearing box braids, and y'all know I have struggled with box braids. I've done it twice on YouTube, and I've done it like once by myself, and I told y'all it's not anything I like to do because I couldn't find the hair, didn't know how to close out my ends. Let me put y'all up on game real quick, okay? So the hair that I have in my head is Spectra pre-stretched and pre-layered hair, the brand that I talked about not too long ago. So come to find out, I didn't really know what I was doing as far as closing my ends, and I had told y'all that. But with this hair, it's already pre-stretched and all of that. The secret is, this is what I learned. I did not cut the hair in half. So when I was talking to one of my homegirls, she was like, hey, you can't cut the hair in half because then once you do that, the hair is not really like layered or feathered or anything like that once you fold it back over, right? So that's why my hair is so long. This is like 48 inches, I think, maybe a little longer. But y'all, look at that. I got nice, clean, natural ends. Okay, I'm so happy. And so basically how I did that, just braided it till I couldn't braid it anymore. There's no knots, no burns. Y'all know last time I almost caught my head on fire. Didn't have any of that going on, so really excited about that. All I did was boil it in hot water, and it gave it a little bit of a curl, but it's been up for a little bit, so not too much of a curl. All right, and here's the side, and as y'all can see, there's some color going on. I have ombre, okay? And so yes, y'all, look at this. I am so proud of myself because you know I have been struggling. Also, don't be too hard on me on my roots. I am going to the store today to get a spray bottle with some oil because my roots and my scalp is a little bit dry. Some more things about this hairstyle is that I keep saying I'm never gonna do it again, but y'all know I'm a perfectionist. This was my 4th time doing box braids. But y'all, now that I done figured it out, you know, I might have to do this again because I love it. Like, if anything, I wouldn't get it so long next time. But I'm really pleased with the turnout. Like, very, very, very pleased. I know somebody's gonna ask me about time. I haven't mastered time yet, but it did take me probably 16 hours. Because it's very long and I have a lot of hair, like it's down my back. I do still have the color in my hair, but you can't even really see it, especially with these braids, because the blend is pretty good. And then not just that, but my actual hair color, that red that I did with Shea Moisture, is actually fading out. I am thinking about coloring my hair again, but I've been on the move and I don't really have time for that right now. So I'm gonna probably just rock it till I cut it out or do something else crazy with my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to touch base about my hair because I know people have been like really commenting and sharing my videos on YouTube and asking me when I'm gonna make another video and stuff like that. Like, I haven't forgot. I'm definitely going to begin to make more videos again soon whenever I take these braids out. But y'all, it took me close to a day to put these in, so I got a good 6 weeks with these braids in my hair and with what I have going on right now. I don't have a lot of time to just be in my hair like that. So this is what I got going on with my hair, with my braids. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I'm kind of like rocking my braids, right? So don't forget to follow me at @AsToldByHer__. And if you want to see what's going on in my personal life, which I'm going to talk about in the next 2 to 3 videos, also feel free to find me on my personal Instagram, which is _HaileyElise_. So that's all about my personal life, what I got going on, what I'm doing on like a daily basis. You guys can see that, but on my As Told By Her page, try to keep it pretty much hair stuff. I did drop one of my graduation photos just because I wanted you all to kind of know where I've been and what I've been doing. Like, I didn't just ghost y'all, but your girl had goals. So stay tuned for the next video so you can hear more about what I'm actually doing with my life. All right, so peace, love, and hair grease, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.